You wake up, you grind, you hustle, you work late nights and early mornings, and then you check your bank account. Nothing has changed. What if the problem isn't how hard you're working, but something running silently in the background, like a virus in your brain? Today, we're exposing the 4 deadly money mindset traps secretly keeping you broke. These are the real reasons why some people thrive financially and others stay stuck no matter how hard they try. Stay till the end, because trap number 4 is the one that silently destroys 90% of people's financial future. Think of your mind like a smartphone. If the operating system is corrupted, it doesn't matter how many apps you download. Nothing works. That's exactly what's happening with your finances. You can learn every budgeting trick, every investment strategy. But if your money mindset is broken, you will always find a way to stay stuck. Trap 1. The scarcity trap. That constant nagging feeling that there is never enough. Not enough money, not enough time, not enough opportunity. And here's what's dangerous. Even when things are okay, your brain is still in panic mode. This fear pushes you into bad decisions, taking low-paying jobs, avoiding investments, hoarding every rupee. And ironically, that fear is the very thing blocking your growth. The fix: train your brain to see what is there, not just what's missing. Gratitude rewires your brain from survival mode to growth mode. Trap 2. And this one hits deep. This is the silent voice whispering, "Who are you to be wealthy?" Maybe it started in childhood, maybe from watching people around you struggle, but wherever it came from, it is lying to you. This trap leads to self-sabotage. You reject opportunities. You undercharge for your skills. You overspend just to feel better temporarily. Here's the truth. Worthiness is not something you earn. It's something you decide. Start acting like you deserve it, and watch how the world responds differently. Trap 3, and this one is sneaky. This is where you hand over all your financial power to the outside world. The economy is bad. My boss doesn't like me. I don't have the right connections. When you believe your financial future is controlled by outside forces, you become a passenger in your own life. The antidote: shift to an internal locus of control. You can't control the economy, but you can control your skills, your decisions, your response. Stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" Start asking, "What can I do about this?" That one shift separates people who build wealth from people who wait for things to get better. These 3 traps don't work alone. They feed each other. Scarcity makes you feel unworthy. Feeling unworthy makes you blame the world. Blaming the world reinforces your scarcity. It's a cycle, a financial prison built entirely inside your own mind. But here's the trap that locks the cell door shut. Trap 4, action without alignment. This is why smart, hard-working people stay broke. You are taking action. You're starting side hustles, reading finance books, trying new strategies. But deep down, your core beliefs about money haven't changed. So every action you take is like building a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. This is why people launch businesses and fail, get promotions and still feel broke, invest and lose money. They're trying to do their way to wealth without first becoming wealthy in their mindset. This is not an overnight fix. Real mindset shifts take time, consistency, and courage. But every single day you choose to think differently, you are rewriting your financial future, moving from a life of lack to a life of limitless possibility. And that is how real wealth is built, not just in your bank account, but in your mind first. Now I want you to reflect. Which of these 4 traps resonates with you the most? Drop it in the comments below. Let's build a community of people who are done being stuck and ready to level up for real. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. It helps more people find this message who need to hear it. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because next time we're covering how to create your first stream of passive income, even starting from zero. Stay hungry, stay focused. Your financial freedom starts in your mind. See you in the next one.